marmalade?
It's sort of orange preserve muffin on toast.
No, what's marmalade?
Oh, I don't listen carefully, love. I want you to walk toward me very slowly. No sudden moves.